Today is a very exciting day for you as we bring together PropertyMe and SimpleRent.com.au in our new integration. First thing to do is head on over to SimpleRent.com.au, select I'm a Property Manager, and then look for the blue button which will take you through to the PropertyMe connected app. And you've most likely seen this page already. You can play the video for the short overview. And from here, you can then download and essentially install the Chrome extension. Now, if you'd like, you can have a one-on-one session with Sabrina or one of our team for 20 minutes to assist you with this. Alternatively, you can follow this video all the way through and take you in a slow step-by-step approach. And we also have some short training videos as well. You'll probably find that you'll guide yourself through all of it. However, we've got this video and we've got our team ready to help you out every step of the way. And as always, if you ever get stuck or have a question, just click on the chat bubble on the bottom right hand side and we'll even jump on a Zoom session to help you out. Okay, let's click on download. This takes us over to the Chrome web store where the SimpleRent Chrome extension is available. Click on add to Chrome and then add extension. And we now see it has been added. So let's head back to PropertyMe and log in with your normal login details for PropertyMe. Now at this point, we now need to connect both SimpleRent and PropertyMe via the Chrome extension. You'll see that it's currently showing grey and it's not pink. We want it to display pink, so click on that one there. Then we'll add in your corresponding SimpleRent account. Now, when it's your first time to connect, we'll need to confirm the connection between both systems using PropertyMe's new OAuth approach. Select Confirm. The system is now connecting. You'll enter in your PropertyMe details again, just as you did when you signed in earlier. And at this point, you'll need to select the portfolio that you're working on. In most cases, you'll just have a single portfolio there. Select Yes, Allow. And we've now initiated the official connection between the two systems. So you won't need to continue to do that. Once that authentication has occurred, you've made the connection. Now what you'll see on the right-hand side is the SimpleRent sidebar. And anytime that there's a page where SimpleRent can be of assistance, you'll see the sidebar appear. Now the way it works is that we draw through specific data that matches the page you're on. We're on the dashboard here, so we bring through information from the dashboard in SimpleRent. And to get to any of that data in SimpleRent now, it's just a single click away. So for example, clicking on Open in SimpleRent will take us directly through to the dashboard page in SimpleRent. Let's continue now by going back to PropertyMe. And let's go and set up a new lease tenancy for payments with SimpleRent and share with you how it's just one click away. Congratulations, you did it. And in the next video, we'll have a look at how to set up new lease payments.